Hello, this is my submission for the 2023-2024 Ubisoft Next programming competition. So this is my game on screen. There are two different enemy types. There's the short red guy who will run at you and try to hit you, and if they hit you, then they will take 2 of your health. And then there's the tall green guy who will try to maintain a certain distance from you and will shoot at you from there. The way that you move on to the next level is once you kill all of the enemies. And if they kill you first, then you get reset back to the first level. There are 3 different types of projectiles that you can shoot. There is the default, which is just a straight shot. There is the triple shot, which will shoot 3 at a time. And there is a homing shot, which will go towards the nearest enemy. I have also created a specific file to set what is in each level, so you're able to create walls and entities and set the player's spawn position so that each level, when it gets loaded into the next one, will just be able to put what's on the file into the world. It is just a standard TXT format, and except I've renamed the extension to LVL for level. And then the renderer, in order for me to get this 3D style, I have done a Doom or Wolfenstein-esque rendering system where each wall will be broken up into vertical columns or lines and will be drawn onto the screen with their size being determined by how far they are from the camera, and them also being moved up or down depending on the height of the wall. And then the entities will be drawn onto the screen with their X position being where they are based on where they are in the world, and then their height will be determined based on their height in the world, and then they will be scaled up or down based on their distance from the camera. I've also added collisions in order to handle all of the projectiles. Each collider can be applied to each object and is a 2D circle collider, and then each wall is a line collision, so it'll check for an intersection between a line and a line for if a collider is interacting with a wall based on the previous position of the collider and the next position of the collider, and if that line intersects with the wall, the collider will then be sent back to where it was previously in order to not allow walking through walls. And then each collider will be able to collide with each other, and it is just a circle-on-circle collider. And then whenever a collision occurs, whether it be a wall or a circle-on-circle, a custom function that can be provided by the code will be called with a given string that is a tag, as well as a void pointer that can be set to the pointer to the class that called it. Thank you for watching. This is my game. Thanks.